got some cute pack. Whoa. I was not expecting that. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, J Ross, back with another video. So, I'm going to be trying something a little bit different in this video. I'm going to be unboxing mystery boxes. And I'm really excited because this is from a brand that I've never tried before, but really wanted to try. And that, as you guys can tell by the title, is limecrime. One of the mystery boxes was 50 bucks and the other one was 75. The $75 one comes with 5 products and the $50 one comes with 4 products. And they're all full-size products, and I think they did say each box includes an eyeshadow palette. I can't find these mystery boxes online anymore, so I'm so sorry, but I still want to unbox it for you guys since I'm super excited and I don't know what's going to be in this box. Let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. It comes in this regular white box, but I can kind of tell from the side, and I think from what I saw on the ad, there is a design on the inside. So, you know, they kind of like, yeah, we don't want people to know, you know, your neighbors to know what you bought. We'll just let it be pretty on the inside type thing. So I'm gonna open this up real quick. Oh, that is a pretty box on the inside. They really be fooling you. They'd be like, man, this box is trash on the outside. And then you just like open it up and like, this is so cute. I like that. Yay, I'm really excited. Okay, all right. So I have no idea which box is which. We're gonna find out together. All right. No freaking way. All right, so now that takes it, I already pulled out one item, but now, and I can definitely see an item on the bottom that I'm kind of excited about. So this is what the box looks like. And on the bottom is like the one of the full-size Venus palettes. Oh my gosh. So this is the limecrime Venus 3 palette, which, like I said, limecrime, or hopefully I mentioned, limecrime is known for their Venus palettes, their Venus eyeshadow palettes. And this is the Venus 3. Ah! I'm super excited. So these are the shades for that one. Comes with the mirror. These are the shades. It's like a purple palette. Basically matches the packaging, which I love when they do that. That shade looks like that will be definitely deep enough for me to transition at least with. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmer shades. This one has a sheen to it. Matte shade. So 3 matte shades. But like I said, this one has a semi sheen to it, but these are shimmers. These are definitely more shimmery shimmers, and then these two are like soft shimmers. And that's pretty like thick of a packaging. Jeez, I hope it's like a lot of product in there. And this is certified vegan and cruelty free, so yay. I think all of limecrime's things are cruelty and vegan free, but I could be wrong. Next up, I got this Diamond Dew, which is a liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Vision. So there is that. It's kind of like, I want to say like a lavender, like iridescent lavender. We have some lippy products. So this is the liner in the shade Firebird. This is in the shade Drew. I don't know who Drew is, but this is in the shade Drew. It's like a grape purple. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Ooh, this is the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Neptune. That is what that looks like a mauve pink. This is the soft focus lip veil in the shade Sorbet. Look at this packaging, it's so cute, like a little teddy bear. And this is from the Plushies collection. Sorry, I didn't say that. This is from the Plushies collection. I'm all over the place because I don't know how to act right. There's that right there. And then this is the Ultra Shiny Lip Gloss in the shade Cherry Crush. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this smells like candy. Okay, well, I can't really see the orange, but it's a cute color. Okay, I guess you can see a little bit of the orange actually, but it's not like super tinted. Next up, we have the Software Blush Cream to Powder Blush in the shade Flora AI. Did I say Flora AI? I meant Flower AI. Limecrime got some cute pack. Whoa. I was not expecting that. Wow, that is bright. I would probably use that as an eyeshadow maybe. I don't know. I don't know if I would wear that as a blush. We'll have to see. There it is, all the way at the bottom. These are very terrible swatches, by the way. I apologize. Apologize. Forgive me. Look at this. So this is the Venus 3, and then this is the Venus XL. Like, look how big that is. This is the Venus XL palette. You have a huge mirror at the top. Which one? I don't know how to show you guys. There it is. I'll just remove that. So it's like a neutral pink palette. 4 shimmers, and then the rest are matte. This one has a sheen to it. This one has a sheen to it. That has a slight sheen, but the rest are matte. So there is the Venus XL palette. So yeah, those are the 9 products. Terrible swatches on the back of my hands. Do I think it is worth $75 and $50? Well, seeing that one of the palettes by itself, let me look it up. So the Venus XL palette by itself is 58 bucks. And then the Venus 3 eyeshadow palette is 38 bucks. Like I said, this mystery box is already sold out, but they may bring another one back. So keep your eye out for that. Like I said, it was 2 boxes. One was $50, one was $75. One came with 4 items, the other one came with 5 items. Altogether, I have 9 items, and I'm pretty sure I got my money's worth. So, like I said, if you guys want to see the products tested out in a video, please go ahead and comment that down below. If you guys know of any other brands that have mystery boxes that you guys want me to buy before you guys buy, please go ahead and comment those brands down below. I think I saw Beauty Bakery had one. I could be wrong.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
So that wraps it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me look at some limecrime items for the first time and unboxing a mystery box, which I had no idea what was going to be in it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the new subbies. Thank you for all the likes and the comments and the thumbs ups on the videos. Please continue to do that. Please go check out some of my other videos. I hope this video wasn't too long for you guys. And if you guys have any questions, please go ahead and comment those down below. That's all I have to say, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.